The 26-year-old pop superstar started his music career at a young age. He was just 15 years old when he released his first single, One Time, which started his ascent to stardom. He already won a ton of awards and #1 hits in the Billboard list, and he's also estimated to have a net worth of enormous $285 million. Partnered with this success, he also owns a ton of customized luxurious cars. He naturally lives a lavish lifestyle, and his deluxe car collection clearly shows it. Now let's take a look at Justin Bieber's luxurious multi-million-dollar car collection. Starting off the list is with his Fisker Karma. This beauty comes at a price tag of $85,000. He customized this car, giving it a shiny metallic look, but this car is quite unique, underwhelming in the power and speed category. It's only packed with 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, which gives an output of 161 horsepower. It can run from 0 to 100 kilometers in 5.9 seconds and can reach a top speed of 201 kilometers per hour. But it's still a very nice car. Next on the line is his Mercedes Maybach S650. This is a very luxurious Mercedes that is resting in Bieber's garage. This supercar boasts its elegance and comfort, but it still packs a punch. Equipped with a 6.0-liter naturally aspired V12 engine which produces 650 horsepower, and it can zoom from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.9 seconds. It's electronically set to have a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. This supercar is listed to have a price of $202,000. Third on the list is Bieber's Cadillac CTS V Batmobile. Yes, you heard it right, it's a customized Cadillac to have some resemblance to the iconic Batmobile, which he bought for $86,000 before having it customized. This car is just a one-off, meaning he's the only person to have this car with this exact customization. It's also equipped with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, which gives it a high performance, and its awesome engine can produce 556 horsepower. Bieber's Cadillac CTS Batmobile can run from 0 to 100 in just 3.7 seconds, and it can reach a top speed of 341 kilometers per hour. Next is his dashing Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. This is a great addition to his collection with its famous gull-wing doors. This high-performance car can range from $260,000 to $525,000 depending on the customization. SLS is powered by 6.2-liter naturally aspired V8 engine and produces a 561 horsepower. It can run from 0 to 100 in just 3.7 seconds and can reach a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour. Justin really likes Mercedes and he owns a lot of them. On the fifth one we have a Mercedes G550 4.4 AMG. You can see this car from a mile away with its bulk and dominating appearance. It is listed at a price range of $227,000 and it's equipped with a 4.0-liter B-turbocharged V8 engine. The G-Class can give an output of 416 horsepower and it can run from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 5.3 seconds. It's electronically set to have a top speed of 230 kilometers per hour, and this already is very impressive for a car with this gigantic size. Number 6 on the list is Bieber's Lamborghini Aventador S. This car is nothing short of fantastic with its top-of-the-line design, performance, and a unique colorway. This beauty is sitting in one of Bieber's mansion garage and it's equipped with a 6.5-liter naturally aspired V12 engine that can give an output of 730 horsepower, and it's super cool, super fast Lambo. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.9 seconds, and it can reach a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. The Lamborghini Aventador S comes with a price of $417,000. There are over 5,000 Aventador S units manufactured. But before we proceed to the other half of Justin Bieber's car collection, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also press the notification bell so you won't miss on our other great contents. It will really help us with the YouTube algorithm. Starting the second half with his very unique car, the Rolls-Royce Ride by West Coast Customs. This car is just as crazy looking as Bieber's mishaps in his early years as a superstar. A few years back, Justin got this idea by looking at a Rolls-Royce prototype video. After watching it, he got very interested in the design and immediately contacted the CEO of West Coast Customs to customize his Wraith. After 3 years of work and waiting for this monster to come home to his garage, he finally got it. This design is one of a kind. He spent over $330,000 for this beast, but it's still equipped with the standard Rolls-Royce Wraith twin turbocharged 6.6 liter V12 that produces 624 horsepower. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and it can run from 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. It's electronically restricted to have 250 km per hour top speed. Bieber also loves the exotic European cars. Many of them are manufactured by Ferrari. One of the earliest he bought was a Ferrari F430. It's wrapped in his favorite matte black color. He kept the fender colors intact, which gave a great complement to the overall look of the car. The Ferrari F430 is featured a 4.3 liter V8 engine that produces a 508 horsepower. It can run from 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Next on his Ferrari collection is his Ferrari F4.9, and it's wrapped in frozen blue and was given black trim and wheels. This car is quite infamous because Bieber was chased by paparazzi while he was driving it and he got into a confrontation with one of them. The F4.9 is equipped with a 4.5 liter V8 engine which has an output of 562 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.1 seconds and can reach an astounding top speed of 325 kilometers per hour. What a ride! Well, what is a hypercar collection without a Bugatti in it? That's why the pop superstar bought a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport, but there are rumors that it was just loaned to him, but if you think about it, he could most definitely buy one. The Bugatti Veyron has a price tag of a whopping $2.2 million. In its core, an 8-liter quad turbocharged W16 engine that has an output of 987 horsepower. It can zoom from 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 450 kilometers per hour. The Range Rover is probably one of the most popular luxurious SUV among celebrities and rich people, and of course Bieber also has one of them. The car is priced at $92,000 and up. It has a V8 for its engine that has an output of 518 horsepower. It can run from 0 to 100 in 4.6 seconds and has a top speed of 283 kilometers per hour. Second to last on the list is his Audi R8 with a leopard wrap. It's either that he loves Tarzan or he just likes big cats, but nonetheless, it's still a very beautiful car. It's packed with a V10 engine that can produce 533 horsepower and it can run from 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. It has a top speed of 316 kilometers per hour, and I hope one day he reveals why he chose the leopard print. Last but most definitely not the least one on the list is his Mercedes G65 AMG with a Christmas design. This is maybe just him trying to be joyful and expressing his inner kid. But don't get fooled, this car still has a lot of power. It has a 5.5 liter V8 B-turbo engine and has a maximum output of 544 horsepower. Well, that's it for Justin Bieber's car collection, and we hope you enjoyed it. Also, comment down below which celebrity or famous personality car collection you want to see next. We truly hope that you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more awesome content like this one. Stay happy and healthy. We are Majestic Cars, and we wish you a majestic day.